Hey everybody, Marley Bogdan with MarineMax Pompano. Today we want to take a quick look at the 270 SDX. This is a brand new 2026. Let's step on board and I'll show you my favorite features on this boat. Starting with the power on this boat, you're equipped with a 400 V10 Mercury outboard engine. That's going to get you top speed well over 50 miles an hour. The seating on the 27 is set up perfectly for all your social activities. As you can see here, we have forward-facing seats that can also be reversed, and then you can have conversation seating here when you're at the sandbar. You also have plenty of cup holders and wireless phone chargers throughout the boat. The 27 also has a very spacious head equipped with a vacuum flush toilet. And then walking up to everyone's favorite part of the boat, you have very spacious bow seating here, a removable table that folds up and out of the way, and then you also have a windlass anchor system here with a bow boarding ladder.